Hello shooters and airsofters. Trademark introduction. So we're gonna review the Infinity Custom 7075 reinforced aluminum lightweight blowback housing for WE Hi-capa. So this is something new kasi for a very long time we don't have a dedicated upgrade parts for WE. Now, Infinity Custom is making upgrade parts for WE. So, to let you know guys, Infinity Custom, this is a Philippine brand, but most of his parts are made from Taiwan. Some of the parts are made in the Philippines, but they are really high quality. So, when installing this, I highly suggest try also their parts, Infinity Custom, hammer pad, and nozzle spring. So yeah, so let's get started. Actually, this is my first time installing this, so bear with me. So to install this, you need to remove the slide, align the slide stop hole. Okay, let's put the frame aside. It's optional if you want to remove the guide rod. Me, I like removing it, it's much easier. And the barrel. There you go. Then let's remove the back screw. Let me get screwdriver. You can use a what is this? Flathead. You can use a flathead screw to remove this. There you go. There you go. Removed. So be careful, this might flew, this little spring, the mock firing pin. Now, it's not yet done, you need to remove the rear sight. And be careful, there is a screw here that might flew this one. So put it on the side. Then there's another screw here that you need to remove. Let me get this screwdriver. There you go. And after you loosen that up, you can now remove the blowback housing. So, okay, let's remove this. Okay. Now let's use this blowback housing. Super light. Wait, let me get a weighing scale so you will have an idea on the weight difference of these two. There you go. There. So this is the stock blowback housing. So it's around 30.8. So this is the Infinity Custom aluminum blowback housing. It's 14.3. So this is more than half lighter compared to the stock one. So yeah, so now let's install this stuff and let's see. Whoops. So it's a little, as I remember, this is a little tough to install. Yeah, just snug fit. Yeah, there you go. See the color? Almost same color with T-Rex. Anyway, let's remove this again. Whoops. There you go. So let's put the nozzle spring. And there you go. Very smooth, very smooth. So let's install this back. Sorry guys, this will be a little lengthy video. Where's my screwdriver? Here it is. Put the screw back. this to the mock firing pin, or maybe we can put this first besides. Put the spring here. So for we K-type, R-type, Dragon, the process is kinda the same. Maybe there is a little difference in the rear side, but it's almost the same. This is the thing I hate in WE. There you go. Then let's put the mock firing pin. Just drop this here. Holy crap. There you go. Installed. It will be a perfect pair if you put this, so you can put a lot of shock buffer if you put a better nozzle spring, and this one will help you to protect your hammer housing. But on this video review, I'm not gonna put this because it's not my personal gun. So yeah, it's super smooth. I like it. So let's put the barrel. And where's the gun? There it is. So let's do some shooting test. Alright, let's do some shooting test. Recoil test. For the recoil, but there is super little difference. I can feel it. Super little. But the good thing about this, I'm super confident about this blowback housing because this is CNC blowback housing, more durable, and I'm pretty sure the rubber part is more durable as well. So this will last longer compared dun sa stock. So yeah. Nice. A good upgrade. So usually kasi for this blowback housing, this one will break maybe for 2,000 rounds, 2,000 or 5,000 rounds maximum. So you need to change this blowback housing. So yun. So better to replace it with the upgraded one, or you can upgrade it right away so you're not gonna have any problems. So this is the stock one. So let's chrono this thing so to have FPS comparison. So what can I say? Yeah, this is a highly recommended upgrade because this is much durable compared to the original blowback housing, 100%, because for the stock one, this one will break. I forgot which part it will break, but it will break eventually. The piston head will get super swell. For this one, I guess this won't get swell. Hindi to yung mamamaga kasi the material it's using, it's different material. I guess this OFM material, so this is durable, really durable compared to this material. You can still use this because this piston cup is interchangeable with the stock. So if you want same FPS, you can use this, change it. So maybe in the future, if this one is not working na, you can just replace it with the Infinity Custom piston head. For the performance, not big of a difference. 15 grams, not that much. But if, for example, you're gonna make this super lightweight, this 15 grams is a big thing. I guess also the 15 grams, it helps maybe a little on the recoil aspect, also in the gas efficient, because mas magaan or lighter, reciprocating mass, mas magaan means less gas or more gas efficient. This is a must-have upgrade for your WE Hi-capas, or especially for example, you already broke your blowback housing, you can directly replace this with this one, because this is much better in all aspect as in. So yun guys, so I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.